Hello everyone, welcome to the demo performed for the North American Spring 2024 Flag Fest. The demo team is composed of OAI and Keysight, and it was hosted at ARA-OTIC at Iowa State University for the Flag Fest theme end-to-end ORAN deployment. In this demo, we use the Keysight RU theme as the UE and the RU, and we use OAI as the ODU and OCU. Between them, there is a front house switch, which is run at the PTP Grandmaster to provide the PTP time sync for both of them. There is also Open5GS as a core network, and there is an application server connected to it. Okay, now let's move to the PTP side. This is the PTP for the ORU. You will see the cloud class is 6. And the offset from master and the delay is pretty small. The mode is in the PTP slave mode. Okay, now let's move to the DU side. So here is OAI's DU. You will see at first it's not connected to RU. There is a lot of 0, and then it receives the package from RU and they are connected with each other. Okay, now let's move back to the RU theme. To start the scenario, we need to first connect to the test manager first. And in our first scenario, we use 5UE to connect to the CU and DU first, and then to the core network. So here you can see the procedure. First do the registration, and then test the PDU section, and finally do the deregistration. And now let's start the test. So you will see the UE is starting to connect to the DU, and then they start to do the PDU section, and finally they do the deregistration. Now let's check the core network. Yeah, if you check the logs of the SMF, you will see the number of the UE first increased to 5, and then the deregistration happened, so it finally go to 0. Okay, so this is our second scenario. In this scenario, we use one UE to receive a huge file from the FTP server. So the procedure is pretty similar. Do the registration first and test the PTU section and do a ping test. And after that, the UE will start to receive the files from the FTP server. Due to the file is pretty huge, we do the acceleration. And in 5 minutes, you see it received the files and then do the deregistration. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.